Your location is leaking, you just don't know it yet. I ran Kali in Linux, sent myself a link and found my exact GPS coordinates. This is what happened. New video on today, geolocation tracking. It runs on Kali Linux, the target is me. Quick note on the setup, Kali is running in a virtual machine, Windows host Kali OS, that's it. No special hardware, no exotical. Seeker works like this. It generates a link, that link loads a fake site, the fake site requests location access, if the target clicks allow it's over. Legal disclaimer, this only works on yourself. Run it on anyone else and it's a different kind of video. Installation is straightforward. Clone the repo, cd into it, make the installer executable and run the installer. Back on Nali. Terminal is waiting. Seeker starts. We choose the template. Google reCAPTCHA. Re-forward will and the fake is smallpp.com. It generates a link. It opens a port 8080. The template. You can see it's URL smallpp. I opened the link, a fake page loaded, location request pop up. I clicked allow and we're done. Back on Kali, terminal is waiting. Then the data comes back. Latitude, longitude. I dropped those coordinates into Google Maps. That's where I work, bro. This is my desk. So what's the takeaway? Seeker doesn't guess your location. It asks your browser directly. Your browser knows, and if you click allow, so does everyone else. Is this complicated? No. Is it the kind of thing most people have no idea exists? Absolutely. This works because modern browsers have a built-in GPS API. Seeker just builds a wrapper around it. The vulnerability isn't Kali, it's the permission pop-up if you're clicking through your world live. What's next? Running the switch router laptop? Kali on Android, same tool, same malware device, same result, coming soon. If you want to see that, subscribe and drop your setup in the comments. I want to know whether you like Kali on